Hi y'all, welcome back to another taste testing. The flooper and I are gonna try, okay, she's not gonna eat. Hi Lulu. I would put Lulu on camera, but she's camera shy and hides her face every time I point the camera at her. So anyway, she's not gonna have any. She's got her kibbles and treats. Look at the kitty. Natura's Sofrito Criollo Creole style pasta sauce. Picked this up at Walmart with vegetables. I got some pasta cooking. I'm gonna heat this up and toss it on there. It's got a shelf life of a couple years. Well, a year and a half. There's the back and all the information if you want to see it. Read it, huh? 140 calories for the entire package. Not bad. 28% sodium, yeah, it's kind of typical. They added, there's a cat trying to play with the camera. They added a little sugar. It's got salt, onion, tomato, green bell pepper, cumin. It sounds tasty. Product of Costa Rica. I love me some Creole. That's what caught my eye. It wasn't too bad at Trader or at Walmart. Couple bucks, I think. So I figured it'd be worth trying. Building food security in Costa Rica, Guatemala, and Honduras. So you can feel better about yourself for buying something with packaging that says you're saving the world. I'm sure they're actually helping the farmers in these countries. Okay, enough rambling. Hold on. Oh, and the flooper and I will take a look here in a few minutes. And yes, I'll wash my hands before I eat. I gotta tell you, this smells better than any spaghetti sauce I've ever smelled. Okay, y'all, welcome back. We got some La Moderna pasta, shells, and just put on this Creole sauce. This smells so good. The package, you never see, sauce is always in a jar. So, sorry, I didn't mean to shut you out. Anyway, ow, and there's a cat trying to climb my bare leg. She hasn't quite learned yet that that's a no-no. We've discussed it, but she's like me, a little pig-headed, I guess. So there's actual tomato chunks in there, okay. That's delicious. I think that's a pepper chunk somewhere. Somewhere in there. See it? I don't know. I think that's an onion chunk. That's really good. It's a thumbs up. So, if you're camping, that's what I was trying to get to before I got distracted by the stuff in my face. You could slip this in your, in my case, in my saddlebag on the motorcycle, your backpack, whatever. The packages of par-cooked pasta, you microwave for 60 seconds, or you can boil for about a minute or two. They're like a single serve. And I do have those around here too in case of an emergency. But if you're backpacking, that would save you weight. It wouldn't take you any time to cook on your jet boil. Or if you're just sitting around the house wanting to cook something for lunch and you're curious. I've had too big of a pasta to sauce ratio, I think. I'm gonna have to add more sauce because it's good. So this is definitely worth the money. They had other flavors, and now I have no idea what they were. If I think of it, I may put it in the description below. I'm assuming I'm not filming this upside down, and I actually put something below. That's what the big YouTubers do, is in the description below, and there's links and all that fancy stuff. It's actually made by Unilever, so it's a major corporation that's telling you that it's they're feeding the world. Global Food Banking Network are supporting families in need across Costa Rica, Guatemala, and Honduras. Isn't that nice of them? Anyway, thumbs up. And now, thanks for watching. I'm going to stuff my face some more. From me, the Flooper, and Lulu. And I'm reunited with my lovely assistant. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, your helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. Bye!